Good morning, everybody.
Me first. No, me first.
It's okay. It's okay. Hold on. Settle down.
No,
Whoa.
turn the phone on me.
It is on you.
No, turn the phone only on me.
What a drama queen, right?
Hey!
Alright, Emma.
Do this, Emma.
Alright, guys. Good morning.
I
We're going to work right now. I just want a free car wash. My car's dirty. It needs a bath. How's everybody's day been? Mine was alright. It was okay. Kind of slow. Not too bad. I'm glad to be off, though. Glad to be ready to enjoy the evening. So I gotta go with the kids. I want to do something with Caden tonight. I gotta go get the supplies. I gotta figure out what the supplies are. I don't even know what they are. Here's Mark 1 Car Wash in Alabama. I don't know if they're anywhere else. I know there's like 7 locations here in Alabama. They're awesome. The kids call it the Lava Car Wash. I do not have the kids here with me today. We're moving. Yeah. I wish I could sing. That's one thing I really wish I can do well. I wish I can just belt it out and everybody stops and goes, wow. I can't though. People do stop and then they tell me to be quiet and they put their fingers in their ears, and in Ashley's case, she just slaps me. Just slapper. Because my singing is horrible. But like I said, if I could sing, I would be singing all the time. Sorry, hurt your eardrums. I took my troubles to the Lord. I cried out to him and he answered my prayer. Amen. So I feel like it's going on in my life. I really feel like in the last 6 months or so, we've begun to tithe again, really for the first time. We've really been, the Lord is awesome, and I think as long as your heart's in it and as long as you're following the Lord, not letting the devil get to you, because the devil's going to try to get to you, then I think you're in good hands. I really feel closer to God. I feel closer to my family. I feel closer to, maybe there's a career change in my future and I don't know. I just feel like it's close. It's kind of weird. We've made it through the gate, which means we're getting closer to being in there. And we are in. Time for a little segment called My Face is Really Red. Car Wash Confessions. My confession today is one time I was making grilled cheese sandwiches and I was reading the directions and the directions said grease the bottom of the pan. So I start greasing the bottom of the pan. First of all, why was there grilled cheese sandwich directions? No idea. I should know how to make that anyways. But I was greasing the bottom of the pan and my parents walked in and they're like, Anthony, why are you greasing the bottom of the pan? I was like, that's what the directions say. I grease the bottom of the pan, not like inside the pan, but I flip the pan over and I grease the bottom of it. I was confused at why it was telling me to grease the bottom of the pan. I don't know what I thought greasing the bottom of the pan was gonna do, but that's what I did. And that was Car Wash Confessions. Thank you for your time. Alright, like I said, we are gonna do an experiment tonight. We're just gonna make a volcano, but I need the supplies. Okay, Coke. It's Diet Coke because that's what it says we need. Got the stuff to do the science experiment. Then we'll go home. We'll go with the kids. Go home. Call it a day. Have some fun. I'll see you at home. experiment is about to start.
A
Are you ready, Kaden?
Yeah.
You can't reach it. Are you ready, Cal?
Yeah.
Are you ready, Emma?
Yeah.
So am I. We're waiting for the experiment to arrive.
Hey, what about me?
Look how clever this woman is. She made a volcano, and there's dinosaurs on the volcano.
It's my wrapping paper.
Dinosaurs. Ooh. Look at that. Isn't that cool though?
Yeah. It's gonna explode again. Yeah.
Whoa!
Whoa.
You probably should have Googled this ahead of time.
Ready?
That was cool. Do it
I
again.
don't know if it will do anything. How was that again?
No, it was like. No, don't drink it. No.
Well, that was fun, guys. Good night. God bless and have a wonderful night. I just said that. Good night. She ain't gonna do nothing, is she? Alright, good night.